So Adobe Bridge is accessible with the use of other Adobe apps as well. For example, if I were to go around onto Photoshop right here, you can go around onto File and you can see that Browse in Bridge is here. So if you were to go ahead, then you simply have access to Adobe Bridge right here. Similarly in Adobe Illustrator as well, and in other applications like Adobe After Effects as well, you get this Browse in Bridge feature which opens up Adobe Bridge directly, and then you will be able to go ahead and open up those images or whatever there is, like graphics and so forth, in Adobe application. Let's say, for example, over here you can see that I got this particular image. You can see that I can simply go ahead and open this up using a particular application of my choice, and then it opens up in the application that I selected right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and access out Bridge from other Adobe applications as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.